Draw. Please. Aid.
For our second part of the prototype, we are focusing on deaf individuals being able to understand people speaking to them. Now, to tackle this, we present a voice localization unit, which translates speech into text as well as pinpoint audio sources. As mentioned before, we have our voice localization unit here. So what we'll be demonstrating in a short while would be two people talking around the device, and you'll be able to see what we're exactly saying and where we are located. So ideally, you should see my audio as P1 on the right-hand side of the screen.
And you should see my audio as P2 on the left-hand side of the screen.